Hello and welcome to another episode of Just Be Handy. Today we'll be changing the battery in this remote start for the Subaru products. This Subaru vehicle has the remote start, the one button, where you press it once and then press it again within 3 seconds to start the vehicle. And it's time to change the battery. And so what you would need is a small Phillips head screwdriver, or if you have a kit like this that will have a Phillips screwdriver in it, and you will proceed to undo the screw back here, and you want to keep going on that till it feels loose. There is usually a little tab right here that you could utilize a screwdriver to help with that prying. There we go. And make sure that screw is all the way out, which I think it is. These are very tight. They have a gasket in there to make sure that you do not get water in there, and then just work it around to get it loose. There we go. You heard that pop. That means it's going to come loose pretty good now. And the battery is right there. And you'll notice that the battery is a 2032. Okay, and we will be replacing that. Okay, here's the new battery. We'll be putting that in here, and it shows you a big plus in there. The plus is this side. So you just put that back in, and it will be a snug fit because they want that spring on there to make sure it holds it properly. There we go. And so it won't fall out. And you have to make sure this guy goes on, or then you won't be able to hang your key. So place that on there. Okay, and then get this in. And you have to make sure that the gasket is firmed up as well. This is a little tricky with that gasket because it seals very, very well. There we go. It is starting to go. There we go. It's snapped in. Snap all around. Now we can tighten that screw. And there you have it. The remote start has changed. The new battery's in there and ready to go. I hope you've enjoyed this video with Just Be Handy. Please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. We would really appreciate it. Thank you and have a good day.